Hey there, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got a Fridge 48 rolling out shop today. This bad boy is going all the way to Canada to Sue. Sue's been very patient with us as we built this rig out. As a power stroke drives by, get that shit out of here. Anyways, Sue's been very patient with us as we built this rig out for her. All right, we're gonna open this up. Now guys, first off, the fridge. All right, that is our cabinet door style smoker cabinet. That means the doors open up this way, not this way. For all y'all old people or young people like me with a bad back, hey, it's easy. Just open it up. It's got the cool handle. Everybody loves the handle. Y'all hear that? Sounds great. I know we love it. All right, on the fridge, we'll do a 36, a 48 like this one. This is a 48, guys. 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108. We'll keep going. Y'all have to tell us when to stop because we'll just keep going. We'll have a damn 240-inch fridge out here one day. All right, you never know. 3 sliding trays. Removable reverse flow plates, guys. This is a reverse flow smoker. And what that does is that directs the smoke all the way across the bottom, then back out of the stack in a diagonal fashion. All right, now we spent a lot of money in R&D to figure that out, that this works best. By that, I mean, we've bought a lot of pork butts, smoked a lot of ribs in this thing, but we figured it out. Up front, we've got the 6-gallon Cajun fryer, double basket. See that? There's 2 of them. Here's the other one right there. Double basket Cajun fryer, propane powered, guys. Look. Smoked some chicken wings in here, throw them in here, crisp them up. Whew, it's gonna be good. Off-road package. That's an add-on. If you don't get that, it's gonna come on casters, guys. You don't want casters, you want the off-road package, okay? If anything else, it looks good. I'm just putting that out there. Upgraded wheels and tires, stainless steel front shelf. Speaking of stainless steel, we got the Bubba Smoke and Barbecue custom stainless steel sign on the side. We'll open up the hot box. This is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here, y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space, guys. That's just because we love America. All right, slide this bottom tray out. Now, what we have in here is we have our removable plate with daisy wheels. What that does, you can pull the whole plate out of there and get direct fire in here, or you open those daisy wheels up and get it hotter. All right, so what's nice about that is it runs independent from the main chamber. You can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. Makes this thing very versatile. Probably our #1 option at TMG Pits is gonna be that hot box. Next, we have the firebox. This is our insulated firebox. Still got your fire management cradle in here. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.